Fexowin, Zumawin, and Vuahox have been getting a lot of attention online. But are they actually legit, or could they be a scam? That's exactly what we're going to find out in this review. At first glance, these platforms look very convincing. They often promise great deals, attractive prices, and a simple shopping experience. The websites also appear clean and professional. But remember, looks can be deceiving. One of the first things I always check is transparency. Does the website clearly display contact details, company information, and customer support? If this information is missing or difficult to find, that's already a warning sign. Legitimate businesses usually make it easy for customers to reach them. Next, I look for genuine customer reviews. While you may find positive comments on the website itself, it's always smarter to check independent review platforms. Mixed or negative feedback about shipping delays, poor customer service, or refund problems should never be ignored. Another thing to watch is pricing. If the deals seem far cheaper than every other retailer, ask yourself why. Extremely low prices are often used to attract buyers quickly. Sometimes the products never arrive, or they're completely different from what was advertised. That doesn't automatically mean Fexowin, Zumawin, or Vuahox are scams. However, it does mean you should be careful before spending your money. Take a few minutes to research the company, read independent reviews, and use a secure payment method that offers buyer protection. So, are Fexowin, Zumawin, and Vuahox legit? Right now, I recommend approaching them with caution. Do your homework before placing an order, especially if you can't verify the company's reputation.